Sanibonani, uLindiwe okaMdlalose obeka shushumbisa ama-drugs umhlaba wonke. Njoba ke senibonile kulabo abahamba nami ukuthi ngaqala ngo-part 1. Lapho khona ngi-explaina, ngikhuluma ukuthi ngaqala kanjani ukuze ngene ezweni lokushushumbisa ama-drugs. Ngaphinde futhi ngaya ku-part 2 lapho ngisho khona ukuthi ukuqala kwami ukutravela ngaya eBrazil. Kungekho lula ke nakhona ngishilo ukuthi hey uhambo lwami labanzima ngacishe nakhona ukuvelelwa ingozi ukuboshwa ezweni laseBrazil. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukutravela kwami as my first trip uke Brazil kwangenza ukuthi ngibe neconfident ukuthi I can do this. Ngabona ke nami sekuba ngathi kuba lulanyana, ngajwayela ngazibona sengitravelisha futhi ngiqhubeka nako ke ukushushumbisa ama-drugs ngiye India. Nakhona ke zithandwa zami azange kube lula ngoba kunalento ukuthi masoyijwayela into seyisegazini ngisho noma ubona ubungozi bayo but uyayitshela ukuthi hayi man mina I can do this, ngaqhubeka kanti nakhona futhi India azange kube lula. Ngizokhuluma ke namhlanje ngo-part 4. Lapho ngizokhuluma nge-country engengithi mangixoxa ngalodaba ngithi angeke ngiyikhohlwe leya ndawo yangizwisa ubuhlungu kanti futhi yangbuilda yangenza lo Lindiwe esengiwuye namhlanje. Hayi ke ngatravela ke ngaya ezweni lase-Argentina. U-part 4 wami lona engizoxoxa ngaye. Njengenjwayelo ke ngifonelwa amaboss. Ngifonela amabossi athi Lindiwe sicela ukukubona kumele sixoxe khona la sifuna ukuthi usiyele khona. Hayi ngihambe ke ngifike mangifika iboss ingilindile nalabo asebenzisana nabo bakhona. Basho ke bathi yazi sifuna ukuba honest kuwe ukuthi le country oya kuyo sifuna ukuthi wazi ukuthi sikunike nanesikhathi futhi asifuni ukuthi sikujahe. Uhamba uyoyicabangisisa kahle le ndaba ukuthi uzokhona na ukuya. We just want to be honest kuwe ukuthi la uyakhona akukho lula. I-security yakhona i-very very tight. So ke basho ukuthi kanti futhi ne-offer yakhona esizokunika yona izothi ukuthi ibe ngathi iyaphakama because we know ukuthi you are taking i-risk serious kuloko. Bathi hayi ke Lindiwe sizokunika isikhathi asikujahe uhambe uyoyicabanga wena uzothi maso ready uzofona usho ukuthi so ready. Hayi nangempela ngithi hayi akunankinga ithi ngiyoyicabanga. Hayi bo mangihamba ngibuyele endlini ngisendleleni ngithi hayi man Lindiwe akho nto omele uyicabange la. Lindiwe lalela la mawukwazile ukuthi wena uye eBrazil kungekho lula. Ugcoke lamateki wakho bewasinda wacisha ukuboshwa but waphumelela wabuyela ekhaya waphetha ama-drugs uyohlulwa yini. Uphinde futhi ukhumbule maMdlalose ukuthi nase-India wena waye India futhi khona lapha eIndia it was even worse because i-luggage yakho yayivele ixoxa indaba but wakhona ukuthi nakhona u-escape. So uzohlulwa yini la. Lalela maMdlalose futhi lakhuluma imali eserious bayasho bathi bazokunika i-offer. Hayibo ngikhuluma angithi uyazi mawumuntu kunalo ukayi2 kulela le site leli likuphikisayo kunaleli lithi uyayenza lento. Nangempela leli elithi uyayenza lento ngizwe ukuthi kuvuma yonke into kimi ngithi hayi after all ngifuna imali and manje le mali engizobuya nayo imali ezongenza ukuthi mhlawumbe vele ngistope ukushushumbisa ama-drugs bese ngiyafocusa ngiyenza something ezofaka imali. Mangifika endlini immediately ngithi hayi there's no time to waste here. Ngiyafona ngisho namanje namhlanje. Thatha ucingo ngifonela uboss ngithi no boss I'm ready. Ngiyahamba. Nangenjwayelo ke bahlanganisa izinto zaba amathikithi bangenzele yonke into imali shopping nani. Hayi ke lifika ilanga lokuthi ngihambe. Hayi ke ithi ngingayijahi na indaba ngikhohlwa into ebalekile ngithi noma ngixoxa mangixwayisa labantwana ngisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakhuluma ngama-dreams. Okay ngizobuyela emuva. Kule viki ke basangipreparela zithandwa zami baprepare ithikithi neinto zami pocket money and everything uLindiwe uba nephupho. Ngiba nephupho ngisasela ekhaya ngithi they preparing for me ukuthi ngihambe. Ngiba nephupho kule viki laba sayenza ama preparations wami. Ngiphupha ngise airport. Mangise airport kanjalo njengenjwayelo hayi I'm walking the walk yokuyitshela ngithi phethe le luggage yami ngiyayiphusha. Mangiyiphusha kanjalo ngiloku ngiyahamba angiboni ukuthi luggage yami ine hole, inembobo. So mangiloku ngihamba icocaine ya dropper la ngihamba khona iphupho lelo. How? Ngithe mase ngithi ngisabhekile ephupheni ngibone those 4 huge guys bangisurround. Bathi kimi ma'am can you kindly follow us? Kwaba ukunqamuka kwephupho lokho. uNkulunkulu ube engibonisa ukuthi ijourney yami this time around angeke ize ibe yijourney ezobalula, izoba yijourney vele enejele phakathi. But because of sengingenwe ukuthanda imali, ngingenwe ukuzitshela ukuthi no, lento ikimi umsebenzi wami ngiyayishaya lento ngiugeneral walento. Azange ngilalele, azange ngipay attention ku the warning dream uNkulunkulu angibonise yona nezingelosi zami. Hayi ngingayinaki futhi ngishaya indiva ngitshela ukuthi mina phambili la ngiyakhona because of ioffer. Inhliziyo yami nakho konke kwami bosekutheneni kule mali sengiyibona futhi sengibuyile ngiphethe le mali esandleni. Hayi izihlobo zami lifika ilanga ukuthi ngihambe. Ngicela ukukwazisa ukuthi uLindiwe angaze ngibe nefear mina kuwo wonke ama trips bengiwayenza. Hayi lalela bengithi makuthiwa hamba wena eBrazil uhamba wena eIndia, to me it was more like ngiyotravelisha ngiyozithorela bengizicompose kanjalo. By doing that bengixosha ifear kimi because bengitshela ukuthi no I'm just going out there ukuyenza ifun, you know, bengithatha njengeholiday lento. But ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi ngisasuka la eOR Tambo ngihamba ngitravelisha ngiye-Argentina bengingana peace. Bengingana peace at all. Nginalento nje uvalo lokulivela. Ngihleli phakathi eflightini yabona. Iyangisayinela lento but because of I was ignorant, because of bengi stubborn, because of bengitshela ukuthi mangithi into ngiyayenza I ignored the feeling. Fike njengenjwayele eArgentina bangilindile. Hayi welcome kamnandi, hayi bangithathe bangibeke ehotela kube mnandi nje kube nje yaya. So ngihlala iviki hence kuwe wonke lama trips engiwenzile ngihlala iviki before ngithatha ke lezo idakamiswa ngibuya nazo eSouth Africa. Ngokutshela ukuthi kulelo viki uvalo lokulula. Nginemali epocket money ngiyemamoli ngiyazipamparisha ngiyenzani but this fear iloku yangidisturb. You understand? Kuthe makufika ilanga the last day, normally the day abaletha ngayo the luggage ukuthi bazongivalelisa ukuthi the following day ngiyahamba ngitravelisha back to my country. Lelo langa lela bafike ngalo kimi, hey man, it was very tough and tense. Umoya wami uhlangene kungalelo langa. Fike as usual with the luggage. Yonke into ke iseluggageini, the luggage from the factory bafakile into zabo this time around bokuyiluggage ke vele njengase-India but e-India ke izinto bebazifake bekuwama suits angithi bazenze ngendlela bebapackage ngayo. So now bafike ke mabafika as usual, oh good luck uhambe kahle uNkulunkulu abe nawe because imfaka kuyo yonke into nalanga ngene khona. Mabaqeda ukuhamba hayi uvalo luthi I don't wanna lie, yabona iArgentina hadn't been if bengumuntu owalalela bongamelanga vele ngitravelisha bongamelanga ngithathe nje offers because I had a dream khumbula ngakasuki ecountryn yami kungalaleki ke west bathe ngiyathandaza kuthandazeki uyabona nje angihlaliseki hayi kube sekuseni geze prepare ngibe right thatha imoto ingithathe iyongifaka e-airport as usual ngene ngicheck in, all went well. Yeah, understand. Then samele boarding time angithi usazohamba la e-airport ucheck isikhathi sakho ukuthi hayi konje i-boarding time ubani ihamba nini flight. Sifike leso sikhathi-ke ngithi I think sondele it's now boarding time. Ngihambe-ke ngiyoma nami equeuini njengabanye. Hayi sime kahle ngithi they checking our passports before sindlula singene eflightini. Thema samile kanjalo simile nje abasi-attend simile. Hayi bo ngibone i-message the screen lesi silapha ya airport bathi kune flight delay. Immediately ngibona that message kwaba ne voice encane yathi you are the cause of the delay. I'm like cause. Ngithe after some few seconds ngizwe leyo voice encane kwayenzeka exactly njengalento engiyibona ephupheni. 4 huge guys bangisurrounda. Ma'am, can you kindly follow us? Sifuna ukukubuza nje ama-question nyana. You know what happened? Bathe mabaqeda ukukhuluma ubaphoyisa athi ngibalandele. Ngavele ngaba ne-picture kamamami and my father. Ngibuye ekhayeni lenkolo. Ngizalwa ubaba umfundisi umama umfundisi. I think all this while ngiloku ngishushumbisa ngitravelisha umhlaba wonke. I think uLindwe Mdlalose bengiphila ku-planet yami. I was thinking ukuthi ngi-own umhlaba. You know, whereby you don't even think of your parents ukuthi konje abazali bami ba abantu abanjani. I didn't have leyo moment. I don't remember ngisashushumbisa ngicabanga ukuthi konje ngibuye ekhayeni elinjani. Excuse me. Konje ngifundiswe nekhaya. Immediately bathi ma'am, can you follow us? Kwavela umama. Kwavela ubabami. And then kwaba nale voice yabuya ithi why the humiliation? Why uletha uhlazo kule khaya? Then ngabona inyembezi seziphumela. Siyahamba ke leso sikhathi ngihamba ngilandela lamaphoyisa sikhuphuke singene officeini. Immediately mabavula umnyango there was my luggage on top of the table. Mabavula kunabanye ke sibathole bakhona eroomini amaphoyisa. Mabavula kanjalo bangi-offer isitulo bathi ngihlale phansi. Ma'am, with due respect, sicela usinikeze permission yokuthi sivule luggage yakho because we suspect ukuthi khona okungahambi kahle. Hayi manje sengiyabona ukuthi kushubile. Angisakwazi nokuvula umlomo ngikhulume bengiloku nje ngivuma ngithi. Hayi badile ne-luggage yami bakhiphe yonke into impahla bakhiphe babeke ngapha eceleni. Hayi babheka bathuli lutho. Beze bakhuluma ngeSpanish babodwa. Abuye baphoyisa kimi. Athi hayi ma'am sikhiphe konke asiyitholi lento esiyifunayo. With due respect futhi sicela ukuthi usinike permission yokuthi hayi kuzomela manje sidile nebag yakho sithi kuyihlepula siyiphule because khona. Nalapho ke uLindiwe sekayinto nje eseyithi ngiyakhala. Hayi badile nebag yami. Mabathi bavele bayiphula ama-drugs avela ayiwele aphuma. Hayi bangibheke ke bonke. Athi ubaphoyisa kimi athi but why? You know, as beautiful as you are, as young as you are, why ukhetha ukwenza into ebuhlungu kanje? Do you know what's going to happen to you right now? Ngithi yebo ngiyazi. Athi we don't have a choice vele mele sikubambe because you are guilty. But into esizokwenzela yona ifavor ukuthi nje thatha ifone, it's either you talk to your father or you talk to your mother, your sister or your husband or whosoever. U-explain ubatshela ukuthi wena usezweni elikude so uvelelwe into eso. Iyo. How do you confront your parents? Most engishaya kakhulu ukuthi abantu abashumayela ivangeli lokuthi sono mele siphile impilo right, abantu abakhuluma ukuthi mele siba abantu abaqondile. Then how do I deliver this to them? Angeke ngibabulale. But because I had no choice, because I did not want a situation whereby bathi wahamba wanyamalala simazi wayaphi leyo nto beyobabulala. It's better bazi iqiniso ukuthi umntanethu uvelele umshopi usendaweni so. I thought of my dad because mina ngiyintombi kayise, me and my dad we like close. It's not that I'm not close with my mom, but uma beka strict yabona ishobolo bengikhuluma naye bengazi ukuthi hayi lo yakadlali, but I'm not saying ukuthi ubaba bekathambisa umthetho, but benginaleyo ndlela, benginendlela engiyazi ukuthi mangikhuluma naye uyabona ubaba yena uzongizwa. And I was thinking for umama, because thina abantu besifazane sisheshe sithathe izinto kakhulu, and mhlawumbe imama bengiyothi mangikhuluma naye aquleke bese ngiyamluza. I then called my dad. Thema kayibamba ngathi Nyanda, ngicela ukuthi ungixolele kukho konke engizokutshela kona. I won't blame you. Noma uthi awusangifuni uthi nje awusafuni next ehlangane nami, ngiyobe vele ngideserve ukuthi ukhulume kanjalo, because baba njengamanje njoba ngufonela uyakhumbula mangithi kini ngiya-travelisha ngihamba no-aunty sibhizi nento zomculo siye Durban sema Cape Town. Cha baba bokungasiqiniso, mina bengishushumbisa ama-drugs umhlaba wonke njoba ngikhuluma nawe nje ngiboshiwe Argentina. Yo, you know, I was expecting mhlawumbe ukuthi ubaba uyoshayeka phansi or amemeza or athini, but amagama awakhuluma, those words yiwo amagama engasho ukuthi ngabambelela kuwo kungekho lula. Ngayitshela ukuthi ekugcineni I too ngifuna ukubabona, because what my father said, wathi kimi Nyanda, ngicela ukuthi ungacabangi ngathi ukuthi sifila kanjani, zinakekele wena, because number one usezweni elikude esingeke sakhona nokuthi size kuwe sizokubona. You know, for us to come there, it's not possible. So ngicela ukuthi uzinakekele ukuze ngelinye ilanga sizokwazi ukuthi sibonane. Oh man, ga break her down, gakhala, because I was thinking ukuthi, man, I've disappointed them as a firstborn. They had dreams, they had, you know, visions ukuthi this is what we want to see, into eyenzakala enhle emntaneni wethu we-firstborn. But look at her, what is happening. But yathena ga around the words ubaba angitshela zona wathi qina sifuna ukukubona ngelinye ilanga. Ngakhala ngadrop ifone. Mangidrop ifone bangithatha ke amaphoyisa wayangivalela emaselini khona lapha phakathi e-airport. Iseli ke siyalazi ke indawo encane, bonkosi yami nombhede wakhona ngeke ukhona nokuhlala because umchamo yonke into number 2. It was terrible, it was terrible. Kunuka kunjeya ya, but I had no choice because yimi engenza ukuthi ngibe kuleya ndawo. I had to be strong. Ngahlala ke kwaze kwasa. Makusa bangikhipha ke selini, bangithatha, bangitshela ukuthi manje siye e-court. Kulapho engizokwazi uku-understanda or ukutshelwa ukuthi njoba sengivelelwe isimo esinje kuyosebenzeka kanjani. Well, ngene ke basifake ke kule moto yakhona igumba. Besibaningi nje lapha singabantu besifazane, some they were coming from UK, babelungu, Thailand. Siyakhala sonke siyaduduzana, abanye bathi yo ngishiya umntanami una 6 months sesiyaduduzana nkosi yami. You know, leyo I don't want to lie, le moment leyo ngena kugumba ngizibona ngiphakathi nabanye abafazi. Lezo zinto bengizibona kuma movie mangihleli ngibukela ama movie. You know, seeing myself kuleyo situation, it was like more like a movie to me. It was like I'm dreaming. Kwenzeka ke basithathe basihambise siye e-court. Well, e-Argentina, this is how they work. Sifike sonke singama foreigners. Ke basinikeze ke ama lawyer wethu ke lawa asebenza ke ngomphakathi, and then ba explain ke kimi lo bekadila nami athi madam, jobe sikuthole e-airport nama drugs. La e-Argentina it doesn't matter ukuthi sikuthole nama drugs 10 kg or 20, omunye simthole ne5. Wonke umuntu oyi-foreigner la uwenza i-sentence eyi-1. Ngathi khu. You know why? Because I don't want to lie, what was disturbing me, I was thinking ukuthi what if ngiyobulawa? Because amanye ama-country awadlali bafowethu. Engebe ngidisturb ukuthi yo nkosi yami maybe ngiyophuma after 30 years. Uyabona? So uthe maka explainer kwathi khu. Wathi kimi niyenza into eyi-1 nonke. of which leyo sentence eniyenza nonke efanayo 4 years and 6 months. Siyamphula phakathi niyenza 2 years and 3 months, which means njoba sizokuthatha sikuse manje prison la uyovalelwa khona uyoserva 2 years and 3 months. Ngaphakathi kimi ngathi baba ngiyabonga, because bengicabanga okuningi ukuthi njoba ubaba athi sifuna ukukubona ngelinye ilanga. I was even thinking ukuthi mhlawumbe angeke baphinde bangibone. Amanye amazwe uyabulawa khona lapho, amanye uyadonsa, hayi indaba okudlala. Fine ke masuka lapho ke sithathwe ke manje basho ukuthi from here sesiyanithatha ke manje sinisa la niyophila khona ke for lo 2 years and 3 months. Niya ejele. Ibuyele ke singene kugumbagumba, hayi manje kuyakhalwa ke vele sokuwes thinking ukuthi 2 years and 3 months ezweni engingalazi, ezweni whereby you are forced to learn their language. Abakhuluma English, you need to learn leso Spanish leso. Kube kuningi engqondweni yami, kube kuningi ithi Nkosi yami kodwa bengiyenzani. Abuya manje ingqondo. Sokubuya konke ukuthi kahle kahle Lindiwe bowuxakwe yini empilweni, because abazali bazamile ngakho konke. I'm not coming from a rich background, but uma nobaba bebazama ngakho konke ukuthi siyadla, bazama ngakho konke ukuthi siye ezikolweni. Then why lempilo, for what? Why bengingekho content? Why benginganeliseki? Kubuya konke sengilwa no inameni wami manje ngaphakathi kimi kunengxabano eyenzakalayo. Well, sihambe sifike. Hayi, lalela. Sengiyayibona manje le fence enginokuyibona ema-movie, lende yasejele. I'm like, ngize ngayibamba ngathi, is this really me? Kwamampela, akusi movie le, yimi oyongena lapha. Ayina ngempela sihlisi, ayivulwe khaxa amagate. Phela ukuhlakanipha ke manje. Phela ukuthi mina bengugenerali bengizenza izinto ngene endaweni kuthiwe Mandela ngidlule. You understand? Nayi reality manje ngiyejele. Baphi na osisi laba bangi-introduce ukuthi ngingene emshushumbisweni. Well, they did not force me. Ngingene ngoba ngithanda izinto, but sengingedwa. Mabathi uzenze but liyeza lelo langa lapho uyoba wedwa khona. Kuyomela ujayivele lo music wakho wedwa. Ngathi nayi selayenzeka ke manje naleyo ke lelo langa lelo ebengazi ukuthi all this while mangiloku ngishushumbisa ama drugs kuzofinyelela la nakho ke. Singene masingena bathi kithi okay, since you don't understand the language sizobiza abanye ke abantu abazonisiza bakhuluma iEnglish so that you'll be able to understand ukuthi nizophila kanjani. Ngempela balanda this other lady, she was from KZN. Weza again abakhulume because yena besekaneskhatha phakathi seka understand the language. Khulumeka explain ukuthi okay, from here siyathathwa ke manje siyofakwa endaweni ebizwa ePavilion. It's a pavilion. It's a situated place whereby kunama rooms ayi-10, hlala niyi-10. Ninama rooms wenu niyi-10 but ikhichi niliuza nonke. Basho kugelathi from here niyathathwa nePavilion ehlala khona yomitha ke abantu ama-inmates ozabunawo phakathi. This is how kusetshenzwa kanjalo ke kunekhishi niyapheka nonke, and then ama-room une-room lakho bla 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 bla, and then impahla akuna uniform la ekhaya ugcoka noma yini oyifunayo, kunama overall la agcokwayo. Asho kugel fine. Sithathwe ke nangempela siyofakwa. Because now sithe masifika size nama luggage wethu ngithi kuphuliwe ezami, abanye bebanama luggage yami iphuliwe, bangifakela ke khona eplastikini elimnyama into zami impahla. So siphethe le mthwalo yethu ke bayithathe bayivalele storeroom imthwalo, and then ke thina ke sithathwe sisema pavilion. Oh my goodness, ijele. It's according to explanation yami, for me na is hoko, because even the vibe oyitholayo masongena uyezwa na ukuthi ngikwenye indawo la. Singene ke iphasisho uyabona ukuthi Nkosi yami kamnyama ndawo. Hayi bavuleke kule pavilion yami. Thema bavula umnyango lo wakhona ke igate khaxa khodla namuhla. Amen. I felt like ngakhala because into bengishaya abazali bami manje. Kuyavulwa-ke kuvulwe ngena kwaha bavala umnyango. Hi, bang welcome. Hi, yabona, how are you? Simix lapha abanye from Italy, Thailand, China, sibaningi. Hayi bangithathe ke bangibonisa, welcome my friend, hey our friend, welcome. Bangifake eroomini lami ke lapho uthola sokunombhede ke lapho nengubonyana. Yes, ngeneke. Angifuni kungasho. It was so tough. That very first day nginyathela kwami ejele ngene kupavilion yami. Ngafike ngangena ngavala umnyango ekamereni ngakhala. Ngakhala. Mangiqeda ukukhala kanjalo kube nenokho engizwayo emnyango kube this other lady, no, if you don't mind singaphilisana since wena ufika ukakabi nezinto, I don't mind ukuthi ushare nami. She was nice. Take icard leli lokufona, go and call your parents or your family ubatshela ukuthi ulana, and then you'll be able to call them, and then futhi nabo if bafuna ukufona because ikhona inami ifoni yokuthi abafonayo bakhona ukufona ubanika inamba. Nangempela ngihambe ngifone endlini ngisho-ke ukuthi ayisengifikile ngisendaweni eso bangivalele sihlala siyi-10 ngi-explain. Hey, my mom, it wasn't easy for her. I don't want to lie. I thank God uNkulunkulu Musa owayenza umama ukuthi ami aqine. It was not easy for them. The person who was giving them his strength is my dad, because he kept on saying uzobuya unyanda. He kept on saying let's pray uzoba right. It was not easy. Leso sikhathi I left indodakazi yami. She was 11 years if I'm not mistaken, between 11 and 12. So it was not easy. It was not easy. Hi, amalanga-ke bang welcome the first day. Abapheke-ke ngoba bona bese angithi kuyasetshenzwa phakathi bese bayakhona ukuthi mabathola imali bahole uyakwazi ukuzithengela ukudla ini. Bang welcome shem ngidle. Ngilale first day. It was not easy. Akulalekanga. Thinking about my family, thinking about le journey ngihambile, of which I was not proud of doing that. Kwabuya kimi ukuthi Lindiwe kahle kahle wena bowumbulali. Why? Trafficking ama-drugs umhlaba wonke walethe South. Yabona ingqondo manje seyabuya. Hayi ahamba amalanga kungekho lula. I remember first 3 months it was not easy because there was a day where I tried ukuthi ngiyasifuna ukuzisusa emhlabeni, because kakhulukazi into beyingibulala kakhulu beyingishaya abazali bami ukuthi how are they going to stand and preach knowing ukuthi umntanabo uba humiliate ngalendlela, uletha uhlazo ngalendlela. They are preaching batshela abanye abantwana ukuthi bayigcine bayiphathe kahle, and yet i-firstborn yabo iyenza izinto ezibukwayo emhlabeni. Oh man, it was really killing me. So because of amagama kababa ngayitshela ukuthi ngiyobambelela kuwo. Remember, kwaba nelanga nje elabanzima kimi. I couldn't cope. Ngiyakhumbula ngithatha umese ekitchen. Bekunomunye umese nje bowusharp. Ngangena eroomini. Bengiyitshelile nje ukuthi ngiyoshaya nje one shot gilikidi, because I couldn't take the pressure. Every time when I think about my family, bengiba picture ukuthi Nkosi yami banjani, bakhupha kanjani. Maye kubhlungu ukuba nomntwana omzalayo osejele. Maye, it's a very painful situation. Ngaba seyicathulweni zabo ukuthi labantu bebaneyinhloso ezinhle ngami. Labantu, they were proud about me ukuthi uLindiwe, she would become great. Why ngenza into so I remember very well ngaguqa. Ngathi let me pray. I know what I'm about to do. uNkulunkulu akafuni sizibulali. But let me pray ngimtshele ubaba ukuthi baba ngisakhoni. Ngiyazi umoya wami angeke uwamukele, but ngicela ukuthi ngigonyuluke kuwe. Ngaguqa, ngakhuleka. Ngazibika kubaba ngamtshela ukuthi baba le ngizoyenza ngiyazi ukuthi akusinto ofuna siyenze, but angikhoni. Ngicela ukuthi umoya wami uwamukele. Umese ulapha phezukombhede mangikhuleka kanjalo. Yabona, bangisakhuleka kanjalo kube nevoice nje encane ebuyayo kimi, engikhumbuzayo ukuthi bekezela. Remember ukuthi ekhaya bakulindile, they want to see you. Bekezela kuzodlula. You understand? So le voice mayiloku ikhuluma in my mind vele sengibheka my father, my mother ukuthi no, already ngilethe pain endlini, already ngilethe ubuhlungu endlini. How are they going to receive lama news mase babafonela ukuthi sengishonile ngisekho emhlabeni? Ngazama ukuzikhama down. Ngazama ukuthi no, Lindiwe akuqali ngawe. Yes kubhlungu le ndawo engikuyo, ngisendaweni yobumnyama, ngisendaweni evil. Ijele alikho mnandi bafowethu. Wena olibona ngathi mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi no, let me try it ngizobekezela. Naba bosisi Lindiwe baya baboshiwe baphuma. Ithi nami ngene emaplugini bangiplage. Ijele alikho mnandi. Uyafeel ukuthi usejele isihogo. Indawo dark darkness. Uyafeel nje ukuthi kunemimoya futhi la busy hover around because of abanye bashonela phakathi. It's a place whereby you uba frustrated. Because remember, asitholi freedom ukuphumela ngaphandle leso sikhathi leso uthamela ilanga ubuye ingqondo nayo iyalokha because ujwayele le routine ukuthi mangiphuma kulomnyango ngiyalapha ngiyabuya. It's not on. So I felt ukuthi no, it's heavy, I can't take it anymore. But because of their voice, ethe bekezela kuzondlula. Remember amagama ubaba akutshele wona, bambelela kuwo. And nami ngathi mangifike ejele ngazenzela ifavor yokuthini, because lalela singazenza sizenze sisitshela ukuthi singabo clever, but ekugcineni konke kubuyela kuNkulunkulu. Sithi mase siphelelwa amandla, awethu amandla hamba phele. But ngacela mangifike ejele ukuthi baba ngipha amandla okukhupha, ungangiyeki iba nami. You understand? I think by so doing ukuthi nami ngisondeze kuyena, because in most cases bengiphilele sontweni ngiye khona kwangisiza nalokho, because ngathi mase ngidecide ukwenza leyo voice. Remember uNkulunkulu ukhuluma vele le voice encane kusuke kuuye uNkulunkulu and your angels bakubonisa direction. So ngathatha umese loyo ngawubuyisela emuva. From lapho ngazitshela, ngatrya ukuthi yazi Lindiwe kuyo yonke into eyenzakalayo, whether ngifacana nobunzima, whether ngifacana nedepression, whether kuba njani, but ngabambelela kulamazu kwaBaba, ngabambelela nami ngayitshela ukuthi one day mangiphuma la, because ngamcela uNkulunkulu ukuthi baba mangiphuma la ngicela ukuthi umlomo wami ngingawuvali. So kuso sonke lesikhathi engisiphilayo ejele ngikhuleka lo mkhuleko lo ukuthi baba ngicela amandla wokukhopha ukuze umndeni wami uzongibona. Baba ngicela amandla wokukhopha ukuthi mangiphuma la ngisiza abanye. Hayi ngoba ngihlele emasofeni ngixoxa le ndaba ngoba ngifuna ukuba famous noma ngoba ngifuna ukubukwa. No, ngidecide ukuthi ngicela ukuthi le ndaba ngixoxe kahle ngama part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 la iyophelela khona ukuze abantu babone, because at first maybe mangixoxa abanye bebabona ngathi yo it sounds like something engathi mnandi engathi lula. It was never and it will be never. Ukuba sejele it's not something good. Remember already so umoshakalelwa yonke into. It's not a good image, or it's not a good thing for me, or it's not a good report for one to be arrested nje kokuqala. So ngiphile ke ejele, ekuphileni kwami ejele kunento ke abayenzayo. I think they are thinking about foreigners since sikude nemndeni yethu ukuthi labantu laba ngosamakhoba abantu abazayo babavakashele, athi sibayenzele something ezobayenza ukuthi at least ba calm down, ba keep stress. Well, kwenzakala kanjena kunejele labafazi leli bengikulo mina, and then kube nejele lamadoda. It's just a distance away from us. So kwenzakalani, banenamba yokusifonela thina ejele lethu labafazi amadoda. They call in, mabafona, hi, my name is John, I'm looking for a tall lady, I'm looking for a slim, short, blah, 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 I'm from UK. Angithi si 10, each pavilion singa 10. So bane number yes pavilion yethu, because the pavilion yam, I think it was number 10, yeah, DS. It's in Spanish, but we pavilion DS 10, and then siyahlukana. So mabafona, we are 10, uzofona uJohn, I'm from UK, ngifuna intombazane so sesiyabuzana so yeah, lo ibambile. There's uJohn elayinini, uthi interested, blah, ifone behlezi busy nje kanjalo. So that's how we get to know each other, try lento ukuthi efonini siyaklika nawo kune chemistry. Mawukuthi niyaklika ke efonini kune chemistry, kune opportunity enikwa yona bathi visitor, ne applyela amaphepha ukuthi nifuna ukubonana. Well, nami ke ngayithola ke ngikuleso simo leso because of ijele bafethu liya stressa. It wasn't something engibengicabangile nami, it was a surprise to understand ukuthi ijele khona izinto ezifana nalezo, but bongasinto mhlambe bengiyiplanile ukuthi hayi ngizosithola sengikuleso simo leso. Is because of pressure, is because of heaviness. Sometimes uyayidinga ejele ke abantu banendlela eziningi abazenzela zona ukuthi calm down stress, bayekela ukucabanga kakhulu. There are lots and lots of things abazenzayo, of which I'm not going to disclose that. I'm talking about uLindiwe Mdlalose, ijeni yakhe. Yes. So now nami ke I got this opportunity yokuthi ke guy phone magafona. It happened ukuthi magafona uGuy masiloku sixoxa ke mina naye vele, because ivoice yakhe ngamuzwa ukuthi is a nice guy, sajele efonini. So masiloku sixoxa kwayenzakala ukuthi mina naye sikhe sabonana phambilini, although singazange sa-exchange ama-numbers. EBrazil kule hotel abenguye kuyo ngilele kuyo naye bekabhukhe khona. Masiloku sixoxa ke sesikhumbuzana, hayi man akazi uye kuphi. That's how indaba yaphuma kanjalo. Well ke saklika no Guy, and then sa-applyela ke for a visit. Then mak-applyela for a visit, i-approve, may-approve kanjalo. That's when you get an opportunity yokuthi nibonane. Fine, before ku-approve i-visit niya-checkwa ukuthi awunagula kuthizeni, uyabo. So mangabe khona ugulo khona bayamtshela upartner wakho nivumelana ukuthi still nisaqhubeka, but omunye makatayi mina ngeke ngikhone then. So ke yonke into ihambe kahle ke i-visit yethi approve, sithole the opportunity ukuthi sihlangane sibonane. So manihamba niba a couple of 4, 2. It's a dining room situation whereby thina masiya lapho ama-girls uyaprepare upheke leyo dombolo lakho ichicken. Angithi kunama opportunities, hence I said ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa phakathi. So nami bese ngitohoza ke sengithole lelo toho lokusebenza, sithole lawo masente siwatholayo month end. That's when you'll be able to buy yourself ukudla, impahla, blah blah blah. So ke masiya ke so visita ke uphekile, it's more like a picnic vibe. So ke ngiyeke ngiyombona first time sibonane, kube mnandi kube njeya. And then kuleyo setup leyo niyanikezwa ke ne room yokuthi nibe intimate. Yes. So it happened ke ukuthi ke mina noMjida sibe ne chemistry sibonane, and then masibonana kwayenzakala ke ukuthi first time leyo sibonana kwahlala isiso, because obviously dala ngagcina ukuhlangana nomuntu wesilisa, mhlambe nokudla bengikudla ejele kwangenza ukuthi kusheshe ngibe fertile. I don't know, or vele uNkulunkulu into ke vele bokumele iyenzeke, ezinye izinto angeke sizibalekele, okudaliwe kudaliwe simakade. Ngaconceive. So mangiconceive kanjalo ejele. Hayi ke one thing about ijele labo Shem, angeke ngiglorify, I'm not going to glorify ukuthi hayi, but ngakhona ukukhupha ngisejele ngiphushe leyo 9 months yami, because bowuthatha uyise kuma check-ups as normal mawungaphandle. Uyaya kuma check-ups, umntana uyanakekela ukuthi usase right up until uyodeliver. Well, the guy was there and he was a good father. Ngisakhere lo mntwana for 9 months. He was there, he was showing love, he was taking care of me. And also, ngakhohlwa ngoba noma ngixoxa kanje ngumuntu that I've decided ukuthi ngizoxoxa. I'm not pointing abantu, ngiblame abantu. Ijeni kaLindiwe Mdlalose ukuthi mina ngisukaphi nempilo yokushushumbisa yangithatha yangibekaphi ngikuphi namhlanje. So nabo labantu bengibasebenzela, hence I always say ukuthi azange bangiforce. Nabo they were there shame while ngiphakathi, bebayibonisa support, basend izinto. Ngithi ngokusho lokho kubanye mhlawumbe abazokhomenta ababuza ukuthi bebakuphi ke masovalelo, azange babaleke bebakhona. So ke ngisiphushe ke isisu Nkosi yami leyo 9 months kungekho lula usejele nini uphethwe iloku uyagula but uNkulunkulu wangithwala ngaze ke ngayo teta ngamthola umntwana ejele. Ngicela ukuphoza ke lana kune lesson kunento engifuna ukuthi ngiveze ngoba mangandlula ngizoyikhohlwa. It is important. Omunye angathi omunye abaningi bayasho ukuthi maye Lindiwe unesibindi intombazane sokukhuluma into ezinje even nasefamilini ukuqala kwami ngimotivate ngikhuluma ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngibuya phi. It was not easy. My mom, my sister, they were like skeptical about it, but because of mina ngisasephakathi ejele ngayitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu remember ngithe ngangikhuleka umkhuleko ukuthi ngipha amandla ukuthi ngiphinde ngibone umndeni wami. Jehova ngipha amandla ukuthi mangiphuma la ngikwazi ukusiza abanye ukuthi bangaweli kulo mgodi. So lokho nje on its own yikho kungenza ukuthi namhlanje ngithi yazini angeke ngiwuvale umlomo and I will never be ashamed because mina ukukhuluma kwami hayi ngoba ngifuna ukubona but it's part of my healing and ijoy yami ngiyithola ngokuxoxa ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi khona indlebe ezingilalele khona ozothi sisilinde ungisize sengithi ngiyaphuma eminyango ngiyoyenza lento. So ngifuna ukukhuluma nabantu besifazane ngingakalahlekelo ngisahamba nayo indaba yami ukuthi never be ashamed ukuthi umntwana wakho umtholephi. I as uMamdlalose I have decided ukuthi yabona ukufihla kusisi ngoba ngabe mhlambe ngithulile ngaloko ngiyixoxa le ndaba ngifihle ukuthi umntwana ngimtholele angithi senginayo lengane iyakhula iyambona umama uya interview iyamuza umama kuma radio station kuma pod uyakhuluma naye phela usekakhulile mama yakuza wakhulelwa bla 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 because naye the reason why ngaze ngayitshela ukuthi because azange ngikudecide lokhu ukuthi ngikhulume ngokuthi conceive ejele ngathola umntwana ejele kungithathe kade ukuthi ngidecide ukuthi manje I'm ready ukuthi ngikhulume because I was trying to protect her ukuthi abantwana abanye esikoleni bazothi lento yazalele ejele nani. But let me tell you something, ma umuntu ubiziwe because what I'm doing it's a calling. Angenzi ngoba ngiphapha or no, it's a calling. So makuyi calling uNkulunkulu uyakuprotector and your angels ukuthi whatever oyikhulumayo ingaphumi ibe inhlekisa mhlawumbe yolimaza umntwana because remember kunalento ukuthi abantwana bethu mabana faceana nobunzima mhlawumbe esikoleni bahlekisa ngabo bese bayibulala. No. So uNkulunkulu yenze ukuthi hlala mntwana wami ukhulume ngizokuprotectela umntwana wakho naye accepta futhi uzokunikeza support. Wangibuza ke umntwana mama why mina ngine ID ebhale ukuthi I was born in Argentina ama passport nanani ngashwablunda nje ngabamba ngayeka but ngabona ukuthi no Lindiwe uhleze loku interview ukhuluma and lento umntwana izofika endlebeni noma wena ucabanga ukuthi ama podcast nama YouTube akabheka kathini ngelinye ilanga uzoyithola khulula umntwana futhi uzikhulule nawe. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngingasho zithandwa zami mina I'm happy. Mina ngiyahila every day ikuwe ukuthi wena uzongijudge uthi mara naye ngamconceive umntwana ejele ngamtholela umntwana ejele and I'm so proud of myself ukuthi ngihlale ngikhulume ngalezi zinto. Ngizotshela wena ke siswami wena ofihlayo ukuthi umntwana umtholephi umthole kanjani umthole nobani maye uzondlula emhlabeni yithi thina bazali futhi thina abantu besifazane esikhosa ezinye inkinga esihlangabezana nazo uthola abantwana bethu bathi hey lo mntwana ngazi uthi uloyiwe izinto zakhe asihlangani indaba isekutheneni khuluma iqiniso usaphila mtshela umntwana ukuthi kwenzakaleni umthole kanjani umtholelephi. Ngiyakutshela siswami the day uyohlala phansi umntwana wakho umtshela iqiniso uyozwa na ukuthi uyokhululeka ngisho ukuthi neminyango evalekile iyovuleka. Ithi ngiqhubeke nejourney yami because I wanted to emphasize lapho ukuthi ngisazowabamba ama session ngithi mama khuluma isikhathi sakho singakapheli emhlabeni because ukufihlela umntwana wakho ukuthi umtholephi uyamfasa angeke aphinda khululeke wena once wandlula emhlabeni iyomhlupha leyo nto ahamba umntwana afuna ukwazi ubabakhe afuna ukwazi abantu baki bangabatholi kuthi umama wakho walala nesecret. Well ngimtholele ejele a beautiful young lady, she's smart, you know, she's destined for greatness. One thing I can say because naye akanalo ukuthi kodwa mama ini she's walking tall akafili ukuthi kodwa umama ngiyinto eyazalele ejele. Well ayike ngimthola umntwana ukumthola kwami ugelo umntwana bese ngisalelwe i5 months ukuthi ngiqede sentence yami. Ngimzalele ejele umntwana Nkosi yami. I remember mangibamba ama labor pains. Yes, foot. My mom, she was so disturbed. They were all disturbed. Ukuthi remember umuntu okhulele ufuna extra care, uyakhalela loku umuntu okhulele because phela nobaba lo bengamboni njalo. I-visit beyenza twice in a month. The first week of the month niyabonana and the last week of the month. So they were worried ukuthi Nkosi yami ukhopha kanjani uLindiwe. Ngokusizwa inkosi ngakhupha. I remember mangizophathwa ama pains. Ngakhumbula ngihlelele ke eroomini because ngumuntu onesisi esikhulu. They were even thinking ukuthi ngiza nama triplets desisikhulu. So kunzima nokwenzani. Ngihleli bokabo ma 6 ntambama kanjena. Hayi ngiyazizwa manje ukuthi angizitholi ukuthi nga-explaina ngithini but njengomfazi ngiyazi ukuthi hayi masozoya sozongena endlini ufila kanjani. Hayi ngihleli kanjalo mangihleli kanjalo ngicala ngiba uncomfortable lapha ya esithweni lesabomama. Ngiyezwa ukuthi manje ngathi kunento ephumayo yabona. Hayi ngisukume immediately mangisukuma pha kubhamuke lokhu kwamanzi. Oh my goodness ejele. I started ngaba frustrated ukuthi jo yabona manje i-reality like seriously and then makusokwenziwani. Thema kunjalo ngivula umnyango hayi kanti vele bebalokhu bangichecka shem abodade bethu bengihlala nabo mabade sezibovu bashayeke lapha igate seladora ama warders kwathi babiza ama seladora ngeSpanish. Hey seladora DS seladora Pavilion 10 uDS u10 seladora DS ay mdlalosi bayazi ukuthi konje she's pregnant. Oh my word baze bagijima sokukubi. Hayi sekumoshakele bathatha amabag yankosi yami ngiphume tatamiswe ke ngiyofakwa emotweni ke gijime ke bagijime nami sesibhedlela. Fike esibhedlela awushem ngeke ngikhulume kabi. Yes bengisiboshwa but azange bangifilise njengesiboshwa ngiphakathi kwabanye abantu. Yes bewakhona ama seladoras balokhu bangichecka bayenzani but hayi lento ukuthi manje nami ngifile we understand. Hayi ngihlale lapha yana ngicheckwa abo doctor ukuthi usase kuphi yabona uNkulunkulu ukhona. Yabona bomama niyazi ngikhuluma ngani. Leyo party leyo inzima kakhulu because you need support. It's either your family uyazi ukuthi noma bangekho nawe la eroomini basamwe ngaphandle kuphi bayakufonela babengani ukhona. Yeah like uNkulunkulu ukhona. Ngisemazweni leso sikhathi kodwa wangithwala uSimakade. Hayi yazi azange kube hectic. uNkulunkulu wayenza nje ijeni yona le jeni le yami ingabi nzima kangako. Ugirl nazange ngiphathisa into eyiningi washeshe nje wayenza yonke into kwaba fast wafika emhlabeni. Ukufika kwakhe I think izoba mnandi lento futhi mayizobhaleka phansi iyeza incwadi vele soon because these are the moments man when I like share about this. It's so emotional because yenza ejele uyambona uyanikwa like ejele. And from that day because bamama niyayazi leyo moment ukuthi mawumbona bakunikeza yona umuthi something that you cannot even explain. I don't have word for a feeling leyo momentum leyo kubamba umntana. So when I just looked at her azange ngaba nenjabulo man. Like I think uNkulunkulu wa injector my heart nenhliziyo yakhe ukuthi siconnect ukuthi forget about where we are. Yes sisejele but this is so precious. Hence I'm emphasizing ukuthi you have to ukuthi uvume mama ukuthi umthole kanjani ngerape umthole ubaba uwenzeni kwenza vuma unikeze lo mntwana uthando. Ngamnika uthando there and there. Then bangithatha ke ngaye eroomini lami ke sabonda nogirl. Hayi ngaspenda a night and then following day ngabuyiselwe ePavilion. Wow babajabula wow kwabamnani kwabanje yafona endlini. Hayi ngoba nabo bebaphenika. We all know ukuthi kuphakathi kokuphila nokufa phela ukuletha umphefumulo emhlabeni bebalindele leyo call. Mase ngifoni ngithi hayi konke kuhambe kahle ukhona ubaby girl. Yes healthy muhle bla bla bla. So ke ngihlale ke naye ubaby girl njoba ngisho ukuthi bokusela u5 months siqhube no baby girl ejele awazalela khona ubaby girl inkaba yakhe yawela khona ubaby girl isimo engidlule kusona engifuna ukusho ukuthi wena ungabona ngathi hayi lo sisi lo mhlawumbe akaphilanga kahle azokhuluma into ezo mina ngiyakhululeka ngiyahileka mina ngithola injabulo futhi khona nangibahilayo I know ukuthi le part engikhuluma ngayo iyoqhaqha amafinde ebantwini abaningi lo secret yakho bowuthi uyifihle uyayifasa angeke uyofanayo ngiyacela zikhulule ukhulule nabantwana or ukhulule nabantu ophila nabo. Well, kusondeleke manje sekuba ne-excitement ukuthi Shona Malanga ngiyobona umndeni wami. Ahamba amalanga kufike-ke lelo viki lokuthi-ke sesohamba. What they do, according to my understanding, ama-ticket wethu lawa esibambwe ngawo bokumele sibuyele ngawo emakhantrini wethu bayawabamba bawenzela ukuthi the day uphuma so ubuyele ekhaya bakwazi ukukuthatha ukuthi straight from prison straight to your country. Basilungisele-ke na thikithi lengane-ke yilo-ke elithengiwe-ke because ingane beyingekho phela leso sikhathi so kulungiswa nama-passport komntwana-ke hayi sifika isikhathi inkosi yami lelo langa I remember lobo busuku azangilale excited ukuthi yo ngiyobona umndeni wami going back to my country. Before ngizoxoxa ngelanga lokubuyela emuva ngizofuna ukuthi engukufundile ngiphakathi ngisejele ukuthi life yami I've realized ukuthi uNkulunkulu there are people abachuzile ukuthi bazoba incwadi efundekayo or abantu bazofunda ngamaphutha wabo. I for one uLindwe Mdlalose ngiphakathi kulabo bantu ukuthi my journey obuhlungu engobuzwile ijourney yami it's not a nice journey but I believe ukuthi iyisifundo ebantwini ukuthi izinto eziza imali as a fast or this glamorous lifestyle that we all want to live, it's better mawukuthi uyenza ngendlela right. Kufunda angikhuluma ne-youth funde incwadi zakho zize phambili and then ube nama dreams yokuthi ufuna ukuba yini lapho ke you can live this soft life because uyazi ukuthi imali yakho oyisebenzele hayi lethi no Lindwe Mdlalose besiyenza yama shortcut because ekugcineni hence you can all see ukuthi from part 1 to part 4 lo engimxoxayo bokungasilula but because of bengifuna leyo mpilo leyo but kuphelele phi na phelele sengise ejele but ngifundile ukuthi we ought to be content mele sineliseke masingabantu ukuneliseka kuyamenza umuntu ukuthi aphile esimeni esingekho mnandi sinzima but knowing ukuthi ngiyakubonga lokho enginakho le half ilofe half uNkulunkulu anginike yona ubonge uneliseke. I'm telling you ayikho into ezokudisturba. You won't lose focus. Bangafika abangani bathi naku iplug naku wena ngoba uyazi ukuthi uyapi. Yes ngiphila ngale half loaf enginayo manje but I know ukuthi idestiny yami ingisaphi. So engikufundile ngifunda ukuthi I need to be content. Ngafunda ukubekezela, ngafunda ukwazi ukuthi elifini ngifunani because ngithema ngiphume ejele ngaphuma sengumuntu engaziyo ukuthi from here ngiyoyenzani mangiphuma ngaphandle. Well lafika ilanga lokubuyela emuva with the precious lovely girl. Sithathe ke basikhiphe ejele yo lelo langa ukuvuleka komnyango okuphuma kuleya ndawo kamnyama ndawo ngibona life ngaphandle. Wow, it was more like a dream. Singene ke emotweni nogirl basithathe ke bayosibeke airport. Bashiye ke airport from lapho ke ngagaina back my freedom because bokungasenaphoyisa eceleni kwami. That's when I said, God, I thank you. Sakibela ke flight no baby girl. Excitement endlini angithi sengibafonele ukuthi sofika ngesikhathi so siyeza nisilinde. Oh, excitement, but ngapha nginalento ukuthi yes bathe bona bawafuna ukungibona mara ngeke kumele kube lula kanje. Sengibuya nginomntwana futhi lapho. Engikhohle futhi ukukumention ukuthi okay ubaba engane Nkosi yami ngingambeki esayidini elibi because khona uzofuna ukwazi ukuthi kwayenzakalani ngoba ubaba omntwana sahamba naye ijeni le 5 months nengane ukhona supportive ayenza konke waze futhi wathumela namakhazini wakhe ala eSouth Africa ukuthi bayobika before ngithola umntwana bayobika isisu ukuthi sesimoshile bakhipha inhlawulo wakhipha nalelo lobolo wathi uzobuya ke sekazoqedelela mase naye ke sekazozasi sekhaya ukuthi ke ngiyenze ukuthi ngimention engayishini indaba ilenga ukuthi ubaba engane yena wayidlala irole yakhe. Well ke ngifike ke airport masifika oh my goodness umndeni wami baba my mom my sister my brother my daughter you know what disturbed me mangibabona mangibeka nje ngibheka ngibabheka baluza umzimba ngenye indlela Nkosi yami bebangeke bangawuluza umzimba ubani bekangaluza umzimba umntwana akuse ku foreign land oboshiyelwa ama-drugs into bebangayazi ukuthi umntana abo uyayenza you know bokunje i-surprise bokuyinto nabo abangacabanga ukuthi ulindiwe kuzo zonke izinto angakhetha lokho. Number 2 umntana abo nakusekayokhulelwa phakathi ejele Nkosi yami kwaba kuningi ngabathola bazacile bonke but the love that they showed us oh my ngizothi ngiyacela ngiyazi akukho lula bazali bantwana siyanimosha abantwana bayasimosha nami ngomzali but akukho mgqomo ukulahla umuntu nanoma ngazabe njani mina my parents they've taught me ukuthi nanoma ngaba abantwana bami siyakwata singabazali ufune nokumduba umntwana but akunamgqomo ukulahla umuntu isupport uyoza be right nalo so osabam right off nawo ngokwakho ongasenathemba uyoza be right through your support nje kuphela. The love they've showed us. Nkosi yami mina bebangekho na interested kimi because the first thing bebayijumpele bebafuna ukuyibona is this lovely precious girl bengihamba naye mina bangibulise after sebabuya kombona lapha ngifake ku eprayimini mabathi bayambheka wow she's so gorgeous bamthatha bamamukela azange bathi ihlazo umntwana otholele ejele asifuni ihlazo la endlini asifuni ini bam embrace Nkosi yami bayoqala kuye oh my god it was a lesson on its own ukuthi yes you umntwana wethu uyindodakazi yethu besilinde wena but lo somenzile kulabo omnyama kule ndawo leya eyihlazo but still siyamamukela sithi welcome back come home you know baby girl so bamthathu girl banghaga nami yey sahamba kwayodliwa kwaba celebration oh my goodness I would never forget that day kwashudwa ithombe what made me to be like kanti Nkosi yami labantu abantu abangibuzanga nokuthi ake usitsheleke kwenzakaleni never I'll be lying mangithi kini masifika endlini bangibeke esofeni bathi akosixoxe no the excitement besemntwaneni wow yakugwa nami ngiyaphamparishwa Nkosi yami I pray to Almighty God ukuthi may God give me strength ukuthi ngikwazi uku-appreciate umndeni wami ngendlela right ngikwazi ukubabonisa ukuthi yeah if it wasn't for you I don't think ngabe ngisaphila I don't think ngabe ngakopa it was not easy for me so ngibuyeke back to reality ubuyejele ngondo yami it was not thinking straight hence I told you ukuthi ukuphuma la uye lapha eminyango ujike uye le kuyayilumaza ingqondo mangibuya bengilokha ingqondo yami ingasekho ngijayele ukuthi ngiphila ekseni siyavuka senza leyo nto leyo iyayimosha ingqondo for 2 years and 3 months so benginamaphutha amaningi benginawo bebangibona ukuthi shame yeah really indawo abuya kuyona but bebangafuni ukungibonisa leyo ukuthi bayabona beba embracing me uyabona so kancane and also the stigma now sengiphumile ngibuyile but into engabacela yona ngisejele ngathi ningakhulumini ebantwini ukuthi ngiboshiwe all what you can tell abantu ukuthi uhambe nomculo siye overseas. So abantu bebazi lokho ukuthi hayi ubuyile bekase overseas ubuye nomntwana yabo. Yeah, they were thinking ukuthi hayi bengihleli kahle kumnandi. Well, istigma besingakabi khona mangibuya ngithi because people they do not know, all they know ukuthi hayi umuntu wasema overseas lo ubuyile. Because of the prayer and the covenant that I had with God ukuthi mangiphuma ejele ngiyenze ngingakhulumi. Maye ukuba ne-covenant noNkulunkulu ukuthi ngizoyenza so. Leyo nto leyo izokuhlupha mntasekhaya nanoma uthi uya-ignora udaya ngisayingeni angeke uphile kahle. Kwangithatha isikhathi ke ukuthi ngikhulume ngidisclose. But ngiyawuza umoya wami lokhu yangiphikisa ukuthi angithi uthe uzoyenza so. Mangithi ngibheka abazali bami ngithi ngiyoyiqala ngakuphi le ndaba because kusho ukuthi kumele ba stop ukupreacha manje. Kusho ukuthi kumele ba stop ukushumayela ngoba abantu bazobajaja. One thing about us sisinjalo. Once wazi ukuthi ulindiwe wakhe waboshwa ume lapha usuki. And lalela umuntu ke oshumayelayo uzoshumayela kanjani ngoba abantu bayelo ungazositshela akayoshumayeza lo mntwana wakhe. So those were the things that were disturbing me ukuthi ngidisclose ukuthi no ngibuyaphi. But because of ngavumelana noNkulunkulu, I remember it was 2017. 2017 ngimenywe omunye usisi ngihamba nomunye umamfundisi naye uyamotivate bekayenze an event abiza abantu bashare different stories ama pains wabo ama journeys wabo. Oh my word bengihlele emuva. Bakhulume khona this a woman bekakhuluma ukuthi warejwa ucousin waphinde warejwa umalume yabo. Hey, this story sakhe sangihlala kabi. And then ngoba ne voice, this time it was not the slight voice. Ibe harsh kuti. And then when are you going to open your mouth? People are waiting for you. Beka chawuta lo muntu. Ngaqala ngaba emotional. I remember ngaphuma ngaya ngaphandle. Mangiphuma umamfundisi bekahamba nabantwana bakhe. Ba notice ukuthi khona into wrong, ya understand. So mase sibuyela ke ngabuyela phakathi kule event ngahlala. Mase iphela ngoba bengihamba nomamfundisi bangithatha bangiyongidrop ekhaya manje sebaye forced. Endleleni ngithi hey ma yazi kunento engifuna ukuyikhuluma ngayo but akukho lula, but I think ukuthi sokuyisikhathi okumele lento ngiyixoxe and nina niyoba abantu bokuqala abazozwa le bomb. Athi mama yini what was happening ukuthi lo mamfundisi bekathi mangisenkonzweni because bengu worship team mangicula makuphuma inkonzo bekangibize officeini yabona sixoxe yabona before ngibuyele emuva. She used to say to me, Atias, there's something great about you. There's greatness in you. Angazi. I see you can worship, but I think there's where God is taking you. You are an international person. Angakhulumi kuye lo mama ukuthi mina ijeni yami in. Every time akangibona, every time when I minister, athi man, there is something about you. There is greatness in you. Ngathi ma, this greatness thing bolokuyibona kimi. This is it. Namhlanje I think le event esize kuyo bokumele ngize ngizokwazi ukuvula umlomo wami ngixoxe ngalodaba. Mama mina all this while mangithi bengise America blah 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 blah, it's a lie. Mina ngangiboshiwe because of ukushushimbisa ama drugs. Ngangitravel umhlaba wonke. I've been to Brazil, I've been to India, I've been to all part of Africa. And then 2012 ngaboshwa bengisejele mina. Ngibuya nje nginomntwana ngiconceive umntwana ejele blah 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 blah. Umama bengithi uzongibheka maybe achintshe ilook ukuthi yini manje umhlolo omunye lo sihlangabe wathi kade ngisho ukuthi there's greatness in you. My sister ngicela ugijima ungasabheka emuva. Vula umlomo wakho usiza abantu. That's when I started ukuthi ngithola amandla. Going back home as they were driving me back home, ufika kwami endlini ngabiza umndeni wami wonke. Ngathi ngicela ningalawe. Ngiyazi ukuthi angeke kubelula. Ngiyazi ukuthi ukukhuluma kwami lento engizontshela niyobona kahle ukuthi ngiyonihlaza, but angisakwazi ukuthula. Isikhathi sesifikile sokuthi ngisize abantu. Umhlaba ungilindile. Ngathi ma nobaba ngabiza usisi wami, ngabiza ubhuti wami, ngabiza umntwana wami ngathi please allow me guys ukuthi ngiyixoxe le ndaba ukuthi ngibuya because ngayenza isivumelano ukuthi mangiphuma umlomo mama ngeke nguvale. Ngicela ukuxoxela abantu ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakaleni. Ayi kwaba tense endlini. Abona umama amabheka phansi usisi wami ukuthi phela manje ukhipha uhlazo ukhipha amaphokopoko besithi sayivala lento but ngoba siyakuzwa ke ukuthi wayenza icovenant noNkulunkulu ukuthi uyoyixoxa le ndaba. Who are we to stop you? My dad said, Nyanda, I give you my blessing. That's how I started sharing my journey. Ngaqala ngaye ezikolweni, ngaqala ngakhuluma. So, sengizoya emaphethelweni wayo ke indaba yami yaka part 4. Ngizothi uLindiwe Mdlalose sekabuyile, sekadiscloseile azange kubelula. Stigma. Bantu indlela abangibheka ngayo. Uyabona ukuthi manje vele yabona sekunezinkulumo eziningi ukuthi lama drugs should bengiwenza nabazali bami bebazi. Uyabona shuthi imali beyidliwa bekayi kuningi izitori seziyafoma nani but uNkulunkulu emuhle. Mina I'm one person obeka sensitive. Mina bewuthi mawukhuluma manje ngingaphatheki kahle ngizofuna ukumlanda umuntu or sengiyakwata uyabona sengiba wrong but bokungena ngapha kuthi umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu mawubiziwe uthi uNkulunkulu uhambisa ivangeli lami mina ukuthi kwenzakalana abantu bathini ngiyokuvala indlebe ukuthi lento ungayi-entertain. It was not easy. It is still not easy because kusakhulumeka namanje because uLindiwe Mdlalose ulo muntu ongasabi ngikhipha konke. Yabona abanye baze basho ukuthi bokumele ngabe uyixoxo waphela ukuthi hayi mina bengeke umntwana ejele angenzeli mina kodwa ngiyenzela ukusiza abantu ngoba ngavuma ukuthi ngizothi mangiphuma lalela la kunabanye abantu vele kumele bandlule emlilweni le ngidlule kuyo mina ijeni kumele kulotshiwe phansi ukuthi uLindiwe Mdlalose uyondlula la ndlule la and ukudlula kwakhe la kuyoba buhlungu vela ngeke kubelula yena uyolimaza umndeni wakhe but uyoba umuntu oyosiza abantu ngaphandle. Ngiyabonga ukuthi namhlanje I'm a well known motivational speaker. Story sami sisiza abantu abaningi yazi nami ngiyengimangale sometimes I take it light lento engiyenzayo ungaboni but ubona so udonso abantu bathi wow you're such an inspiration. Ngizocela ke ukuthi nisiza abanye nishare babize balalele because ngiyathemba ukuthi khona abantu abazosizakala ngejeni yami futhi more especially le yase Argentina ukuboshwa kwami konke ijeni nje konke okwenzakalile ngisho noma sengiphumile ngoba mase uphumile life ayisabilula sengijwayele ukuba nemali phela akusekho lula manje izinto asezenzeki like before sokuba tense imali ayisekho sokuba nzima angeke ngisho kuwe ukuthi temptation azange bekhona beyibakhona but bokuloku kuzamazwi ukuthi what uyosiza abantu khona isikhathi lapho khona uyohamba uyomotivate uyabuya endlini abantwana balambile but because of ngasign it's more like ngasign icontract ukuthi lo mlomo lo uyoba umlomo yosiza abantu ngiyazi ukuthi reward yami ikubaba uNkulunkulu the day azothi manje naku umntanami sengiyakubusisa kuyobona umhlaba wonke but my own now is to focus and make sure ukuthi ngisiza abantu ijele ngizosho kuwe bhuti wami ukuthi whatever that you are doing usaselaki usatola usathi umaphunyuka bakubambile bese uyaphunyuka liyeza lelo la ngiyobuyedwa shintsha ingqondo shintsha ukwenza. Ngizokhuluma nawe siswami uthi sisilindiwe ngicela iplug lapho hayi ngiyabona ukuthi Argentina kuyaphileka kuphileki yebo ngidlulile ijeni ngiyayixoxa ungayibona ngathi nawe ungakhona ukuyimela lalela igrace yabantu ayifani mina yami indlela ijeni yami uNkulunkulu ngipreparele yona yaba ngalendlela angazi ukuthi this year sebasebenza kanjani maybe kusafani nejeni le mina engayihamba so ngizocela ukuthi ake sishintshe ukwenza yebo impilo bayasho ukuthi ayikho lula but impilo ibalula ngokuthini ineliseka ngesimo naso neliseka ngaloko uNkulunkulu akunike kona because uthi sibonga okuncane azokwazi ukuvula okukhulu into eyabulala mina Lindiwe Mdlalose ukunganeliseki ukuthi lokho okuncane benginako bengaku-appreciate ngifuna okukhulu ngiyacela asineliseke bantwana bami iyouth le ngaphandle ngiyanicela le jeni engijima ngayo ngiyanicela izonikhathaza izonihlula futhi yeni igeneration yenu ayisafani neyethu neyami nina okwenu niyabona ukuthi gijima ngesivinini there's a lot that is happening kuningi okubhlungu okwenzakalayo ngiyanikhuza iyana esikolweni akukho kunye hambani niyofunda nibe nama dreams maya kumnandi udla imali yakho oyisebenzele wena ube proud. Namhlanje manginemali ngisho noma ngine 100 rand ngine 20 rand angishaya unembeza. Yes imali bengenza but bengayidli ngalendlela engifuna ukuyidla ngayo. Endlini bengifihla phela noma ngibuyile bangibhadalile bengizothenga into engiyithengayo engeke zingijampisela ukuthi babone ukuthi khona okushaya amanzi. Into bengiyenza bebazi nayo ukuthi vele uzithandela ubuhle bengisigcokela ama label ngibe muhle ama weave ngiyoyijavela ema clubs la hamba abantu abo who's who abantu abayikhonayo, but that's not life. Kumnandi ke manje ukuthi noma nginaleyo 200 rand ngiyidla kamnandi ngiyidla nginesibindi ukuthi imali engizenzele yona kahle kamnandi and maye imnandi imali enjalo udla ithukuthuku zakho. So ngiyacela asifundeni bantwana bami, ngicele nakini bosisi bami ngiyanicela ake niyekeni ukuba nama secrets. Yabona lento egulisayo bathi unama high blood unama depression unani hayi ngoba ugula mntasekhaya yile secret yile nto ivalele othi ndiyofanayo. Khulula lo mntwana umtshela ukuthi kwayenzakalani nobabakhe umthole phi kanjani. Don't feel ashamed. She or he deserves to know ukuthi ngatholakala kanjani and then who is my dad, because the day uyolala Nkosi yami abayi kohlupheka labantwana bayozula umhlaba phansi phezulu bafuna impendulo. Babatshela ukuthi impendulo zihambe nalabo abangaseke emhlabeni. Ngiyacela. Yazi kumnandi kanjani ukukhuluma uyoyibona ukho uyizame lonto leyo iyakhulula emoyeni. Ngiyabonga ke sengizozivala istory sami. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nifundile isixwayiso. Ngiyacela olalele uyobiza omunye uthi wozolalela nikwazi ukusizakala. Nimlandele uLindwe Mdlalosi TVC Gauteng nizozwa nizwe ukuthi kuyafiwa ngaphandle. But look at me today ngishintshile and I do not want to see anything ekuthiwa ama drugs eceleni kwami. Yes omunye ngathi hey uzenzile so uzenza ngcono. Angithi sonke emhlabeni vele siyazenza sizenze sichayise bese siyarepenta. uNkulunkulu washo wathi maso ubona ukuthi ziyakusinda uzithwele izoni zakimi ngizoku-offloada. Mina kuNkulunkulu ngixolisile ngiright namphakathi abanye bayabonga ngokuthi sisilindwe siyabonga ukuthi ukhulume because if usisilindwe azange ngingene kulamanyala or kulobumnyama engene benizowazi kanjani ukuthi kunezinto ezenzakalayo when it comes to ukushushumbisa ama drugs. Bokumele usisilindwe andlule emlilweni so that azokwazi ukunixwayisa. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. uNkulunkulu anigcine anenze kahle futhi aniphephise. One love.